it's a very why am I doing this debate tonight? I'll tell you. Sanju and Sandeep on one side, and Pankaj and Anurag on the other, and Neil also. Let us go back 6 months, Sandeep. They said we will offer new hope to this country. We are going to use the name of the country to define our alliance. We will provide refreshing change, new ideas, artificial intelligence, this and that. They need artificial intelligence for sure, because the common intelligence is not working. Now, this is what they are doing today.
I'm surprised that you mentioned
पंकज जी, क्या हुआ तेरा वादा? वो कसम, वो इरादा.
Arnab, I'm surprised they're not saying
क्या हुआ?
बीजेपी का वादा,
this is a deep fake.
बीजेपी का वादा क्या हुआ? किसान की इनकम दोगुनी हो गई, क्या हुआ बीजेपी का वादा? क्या हुआ बीजेपी का वादा? 15 लाख रुपए हर एक अकाउंट में आएंगे, क्या हुआ? वो कसम, वो इरादे, क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? पार हो गया, 30-40 रुपए से आना था, तेरा वादा बुलेट ट्रेन चलेगी, क्या हुआ? क्यूटो बनने वाला था, 100 स्मार्ट सिटी बनने वाली थी, क्या हुआ? रुपया पतला हो रहा था डॉलर के मुकाबले, अब तो रुपया और पतला, क्या हुआ तेरा वादा? क्या हुआ? किसान की वाली थी, क्या हुआ तेरा वादा? वही है ना, तुम तो धोखेबाज भूल जाते हो, बीजेपी धोखेबाज है, वादा करके भूल जाती है. ये वादा किया था ना, कौन है धोखेबाज? जनता के साथ वादे किए थे, समाज के अंदर भाईचारा पैदा करेंगे, देश की युवाओं को रोजगार देके उनको पैरों पे खड़ा करेंगे. ये 5 किलो चावल 5 किलो आटा में लाइन लगाने के लिए तो नहीं बोला था आपने? 2014 में आप जब चुनाव लड़ रहे थे, बोले थे हम आएंगे सत्ता में, 5 किलो चावल 5 किलो आटा में नहीं, हम लोगों को पैरों पे खड़ा करेंगे. लोगों को पैर पे कहां खड़ा किया? लाइन में खड़ा कर दिया. 5 किलो चावल 5 किलो आटा में, ये पैरों पे खड़ा करना बोलते हैं इसको. आप बोलते हो देश की इकोनॉमी 5 ट्रिलियन हो गई, 5 ट्रिलियन की सेठों के लिए 5 ट्रिलियन हो गई. क्या गरीब आदमी तो और गरीब हो गया? गरीब आदमी जो रोजगार की जगह लाइन में लगा दिया, बेरोजगारी बढ़ गई. कौन है? बीजेपी तो धोखेबाज है, वादा करके भूल जाती है.
संजू ऑन द डिबेट राइट नाउ. संजू
बीजेपी धोखेबाज है.
गाना बंद कीजिए.
दिखते हैं, तुम अपना काम तो बोलो, यहाँ ईमान भी दिखते हैं. आप लोगों ने अपना ईमान बेच दिया है, आप लोगों ने अपना ईमान बेच दिया है, इसलिए जनता ने आपको नकार दिया है.
बीजेपी ने जनता के लिए,
तहजीब भी दिखती है,
जनता के लिए, बीजेपी ने जनता के साथ धोखा किया है, जनता के साथ किया है, देश की जनता के साथ.
Swayam Asta says basically even the Congress wants the BJP to win.
देश की जनता.
Live tonight, Reyansh Gupta says it's the frustration of the Congress that has reached his peak. Don't blame them. Pappu is to be blamed. And Pooja Sengupta says we all saw Hadir Ranjan assaulted the Republic reporter. Just because Republic does journalism fearlessly, these cowards attack them. He must apologize. I don't expect an apology. Now, let's look at the bigger picture here. Sandeep and Pankaj looking increasingly confused, looking left and right, remembering the good old times when he used to come on television and say there's going to be a new start with the India Alliance. Sandeep, where is it all ending now? This fragmentation of the vote that's happening, what does it mean in Bengal and nationally?
I think Pankaj ji will now speak the same language. You know, we are friends at a place called IIC in Delhi, and he has a friend in Madhya Pradesh who now is out of the reckoning, so we can speak on the same breath. Pankaj ji, I think what is happening today, this is all the ire against Rahul Gandhi because he is operating in a different universe. I agree with someone who said that BJP, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's statement is not going to help BJP in Murshidabad. But Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's statement is going to help BJP in the rest of West Bengal. Somebody also added there, I heard.
Exactly.
They even Salim, Mohammed Salim is working for BJP.
No, he has established.
But there are some journalists, influential media barons who, to perhaps gratify their masters, have to run the dirty tricks department. What can one do?
Pankaj, is this a
Pankaj ji,
deep
which
fake
is the
video or a
dirty-
real video? Is this a deep fake
what I'm
video or a real video?
It's a real video.
It's a real video. So in the real video, 1 minute, what he's saying today, think
But
about it
then-
seriously. One
but
minute.
then it should-
I'll get Neil also.
then
One minute.
it should be-
One
it
minute.
should be
Listen to me.
only
Listen to me.
in the
Listen to me,
fact-
Baba. Listen to Pankaj. Listen to me. The point being this, okay? And only Adhir is running his own agenda. Nobody can run his agenda. The point being, what will voters across Bengal and rest of the country think? Neil, can I explain this to you? He's not an influential media baron who has to run anyone's agenda. Let me tell you, what he's saying is that Sandeep is saying that this comment, by saying this, the Congress party is establishing the BJP as a very important player and playing down the Trinamool as a small player. This has to, the only intention can
And
be
this is a
that...
precursor of things to come. Arnab, this is a
If you
precursor
see
of
the
things
last-
to come.
Arnab, one more
If you
thing I'll
see
add.
the last
Last time
2-3
we had
years,
1%
the
votes in
stand of
Lok Sabha
Congress,
2019. We
the
got 80
stand of
seats.
Congress is
This time, just
different
wait and
in the
watch. We will improve
in
our
West
vote share
Bengal
and also the
compared
number of
to
seats
that
by
of-
at least 30 to 40%. The number of seats that the BJP will
Arnab,
get this time will
Arnab,
be at
may I
least
come in?
30 to
Okay, I have a-
40% higher than the 18 seats
Arnab,
that
may I
we
come
won
in?
in Lok Sabha 2019 from West Bengal.
Okay, I have a...
And Mamata Banerjee is in for a
there is
massive
a huge
surprise post.
difference
The huge
between
uprising.
the Congress
Neil Basu, Neil.
Bengal and that
Mamata
of
Banerjee is in for
there is a
massive
huge
surprise
difference
from the
between
4th of June.
the
Because of what happened in
between the
Central
functioning of Congress
Hindus
party
Bengal
in
are
Central
tired of being
as well as
marginalized.
in West Bengal.
Hindus of
There is
West
clear
Bengal are
distinction.
tired of being told
Adhir Ranjan
that
Chaudhary,
Ram Navami nahi mana sakte.
in fact, Adhir
Hanuman
Ranjan
Jayanti
Chaudhary's
nahi mana
functioning
sakte.
was
Durga
always
Puja nahi
questionable.
mana sakte.
Why it
Can I
was
play the bite? I've just got a
questionable?
comment of Firad Hakim, top Trinamool leader. This is an official statement of the Trinamool Congress from Firad Hakim on the Congress leader asking people to vote for the BJP instead of the TMC. Firad Hakim, please, on air.
Major political controversy erupted while Adhir Chaudhary in a political campaign clearly said that the people must vote for BJP rather than voting for TMC. And right now senior TMC leader Firad Hakim is joining with us. Mr. Hakim, what Adhir Chaudhary said, we heard that Adhir Chaudhary is speaking that people should vote for BJP rather than they should vote for Trinamool Congress. Sir, how do you react with this?
I'm sure that Ajit Chaudhary is with CPM apparently, but inside stories, he is actually a BJP agent.
Adhir Chaudhary is a BJP agent.
Yes, and he is always helping BJP in his own constituency, and by telling all the nonsense against our leader Mamata Banerjee, that will strengthen the hand of BJP. That is why we disagreed to stay in India in West Bengal because of that Adhir Chaudhary, and I am sure that he will see that, and he will see that he is working in behest of BJP.
But sir, one thing, Adhir Chaudhary is the Congress leader in Lok Sabha, and we witness that Adhir Chaudhary constantly speaks against BJP.
That's the unfortunate part of the Congress.
Now, viewers, big headline today, therefore, 2024 elections, new twist. The accusation against the Lok Sabha opposition leader is that he's a BJP agent after he says it is better to vote for the BJP than another non-Indi party.